Good morning! Kumusta mga mommies? Sana okay po tayong lahat. Today is July 5 or 6, I don't know. And yeah, here I am again. I'm doing my supposed to be daily routine, but since working na tayo ulit, it should be twice a week na lang. Yeah. Twice a week ko na lang nagagawa yung aking walking session every Saturday and Sunday. Kamusta po tayong lahat? Sana'y okay po kayo mga mommies. Galaw-galaw tayo. Kasi kailangan yun. Alright. This morning, I just woke up like 7 a.m. Yeah. At least, kahit 7 a.m. na tayo nagising, we still managed to do my routine this morning. Thank God, at least nagawa ko siya. Sana kayo din po ay magawa ninyo mga mommies na gumalaw-galaw at mag-exercise because it's very important na makagalaw-galaw yung ating katawan. Yeah. Sa araw-araw, busy tayo, no? Busy sa mga gawain natin as mommies. So, I hope nagagawa nyo din to. Yung bang bigyan ng oras sa mga sarili. At, syempre, may galaw-galaw natin yung ating mga katawan. Para maging mas malakas tayo. Kasi kailangan natin maging malakas for our children. Right? Oh, mommies. For now, eto lang muna. So, good morning once again. Bye-bye.